Today on the Gas Fund Shitty Network, we have a very special guest here with us to talk about air pollution and acid rain, the trouble with the ozone, and global warming. To enhance your knowledge on the topic acid rain, please welcome our climatologist from Stanford University, Stefan Snyder.
Thanks for having me, Miss Shelley. It's such an honor to be on the Gas Von Jitty Network.
Pleasure's all ours. Now, on the discussion of acid rain, could you go more in depth about this environmental issue?
Well, acid rain is linked to another environmental issue that many countries face, air pollution. Air pollution is present when burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas are discharged into the atmosphere by human actions such as factories and even from the vehicles we drive. However, places like Canada are constructing new types of cars known as hybrids to reduce the amount of pollution in the atmosphere.
Since acid rain and pollution go hand in hand, which one affects the environment more, and how does it affect our environment?
I would have to say that acid rain really affects our environment more because it damages lakes by making the water more acidic, which leads to the death of the aquatic life. It also affects the great forests of Canada, making the soil also acidic, killing off plants grown. With a decrease in carbon sinks, our forests would lack the consumption of carbon dioxide, leading to more pollution.
And with that, it leads to our next topic of the hour, trouble with the ozone. Now, Mr. Snyder, would you mind enlightening our audience about this topic?
Yes, of course I will. To start, acid rain has proved to be at least partially the product of ozone poisoning. Ozone is a molecule consisting of 3 oxygen atoms as opposed to 2 normal oxygens. Fortunately, the ozone is not harmless to humans. However, it is harmful to our plants, yet again damaging our forests.
Is there any way we could help rebuild the ozone?
It would take more than a century to replenish the ozone lost, even if all the CFCs were banned. Population growth, industrial development, and chemical pollution would still occur.
And finally, into our last topic of the day, global warming. We all know global warming began with the Industrial Revolution, but I think many of us would like to know how.
For starters, coal and increasing amounts of petroleum and natural gas have been burned to power industry, heat and cool cities, and drive vehicles. With all this burning of substances, it has turned into carbon dioxide and water vapor, which causes the scenario of the greenhouse effect, which is a natural condition and a necessary element in Earth's heat budget.
Because global warming is such a topic of discussion, what is actually being done to put a stop to it?
Well, governments have come together to discuss a model, the Kyoto Protocol. This is an international agreement that aims to reduce carbon dioxide emission and the presence of greenhouse gases.
Well, thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to expand our knowledge on global warming and its side effects of air pollution and acid rain.